Hello all. So today I am back with a new German topic, and that is Monat oder die Monate. That is months in German language. So month is der Monat. That is, it is masculine. So der Monat, the month, der Monat. Die Monate, die Monate, die months. Die is for die because it is plural, the months. So die Monate und der Monat. Now let's begin the months of German language. So January is Januar. Januar. As I have already discussed in alphabets, this J is equivalent to Ya. That is Y of English. So this is Januar. Januar. February, Februar. March, Maths. This Z will be giving sound of TS, mixed sound of TS. So Maths. April. May, May. June, Juni. July, Yuli. August. September, Za. September. October. November. December. Again Z. Set. That is Z of English. Set of German. Set will be giving mixed sound of TS. So it will be December. Right. Now, suppose you want to say in January. So what you will be using for that? In January. So it will be im Januar. In February, im Februar. In March, im März. In April, im April. In May, im Mai. In June, im Juni. In July, im Juli. In August, im August. In September, im September. October, im October. In November, im November. In December, im December. Now, all these months as well as days which I have already discussed in previous video, all the months in German language are masculine. That is, they will be having article der. This is small r, der. Suppose I want to say die January, so it will be der Januar, die February, der Februar, die March, der März, die April, der April, die May, der Mai, die June, der Juni, die July, der Juli, die August, der August, die August, der August, die September, der September, die October, der October, die November, der November, the December, der December. So in today's video we have covered the months in German language. In my next video I will be bringing another topic for you all. So be with us and enjoy learning. Thank you.